How to weather a lightsaber from Parsec Sabers. This lightsaber is the Unleashed lightsaber, and it's inspired by Starkiller's lightsaber from The Force Unleashed. Today we're going to be making it look a little bit more weathered and battle worn. The first step is to remove the internal core and separate all the pieces into different piles. It's important to remove the internal core so that the electronics don't get damaged when weathering the saber. Once everything is separated out into different piles, we can then get on to sanding. These are the only clips of me sanding the saber, but the idea is we want to rough up the surface so that the paint can stick in the next step. You can even use the floor. Once the saber has been scratched up, we can then move on to painting the saber. I'm just going to be using some metal spray paint in black to get this saber covered. The aim is to cover every single piece with an even coating. You want to make sure you get both the front and the back, so this is the top piece, and then we're going to move on to the grip and the pommel here. You may need one or two coats as well just to get it completely covered. Once sprayed, we can leave it to dry and then take it back inside. So returning to sanding now, and the idea of this is to remove the black paint from the surface, leaving the black paint in the scratches that we made earlier. You also need to work out where the saber would be most weathered. On this saber it's got a button in the middle, so there would be more dirt build up around that area, so I'm going to leave some black paint there. I've also sanded some of the black parts to reveal some of the silver below. So there's the saber completely scratched up. So here I'm going in with a makeup sponge with some silver paint just to cover the saber in some areas again, and then this is going to be sanded off, leaving the silver in the scratches below. And then this is it, going in with the makeup sponge again with some watered down black paint just to fill in those gaps and add a kind of black wash over everything. And then just going in and just sanding some of the accessories that need to be put back on, and here it is, the Unleashed saber, completely weathered.